I hate to break this up, but... Knifenado!
Yeah! There! Look out for that knife! And that knife! And that knife! And that other knife! And that knife down!
There are knives everywhere!
Oh! Who wants to knife limbo with me? How low can you go? How low can you go? Now is not the time, Orange! Little Apple can't participate in the limbo contest. That would be cheating.
Guys, don't look now, but I think the Knifenado is headed for another factory!
Hopefully not another knife factory.
Worse! It's a...
Squash factory! This is too much! How can I avoid all these knives and all these squashes? We're headed for another factory! It's a TNT factory!
Now this is just getting ridiculous.
Ah! Nobody touch the TNT! Also make sure that none of the knives touch any of the TNT! None of the squashes either!
Ugh, this is exhausting.
Bad news, guys! I think the Knifenado is taking us toward yet another factory! And this one's a real doozy! Orange factory! Oh, come on! Hey! Hey!
Yes, what do you want?
Hey!
I heard you. What do you want?
Watch what I can do! Hey! Hey! What rhymes with tornado and is full of knives?
Probably a Knifenado?
Nope! A Julius Caesar-nado! Ah, man, that's good.
At this point, I kind of wish a knife would hit a stick of TNT!
Agreed!